As you can see, the SmartDark XS61 retails for $52.90. I was able to get it on Black Friday for only $26.45 from KP Republic.
One eternity later.
The SmartDark XS61 not standing for extra shit, but instead extra small. It comes with 61 keys. I ordered the model with outemu black switches. I don't know how to say that. Outemu. But you can pick between black, red, brown, and obnoxious blue. The board comes equipped with double-shot ABS plastic keycaps. They still feel like the shit ones you get on a gaming keyboard. It comes with an aluminium plate and a thin plastic case. In the box, you get a USB to USB-C cable, a keycap puller, and a key switch puller. So this is where my quest starts. I wanted to customize a keyboard from ugly stock to painted by me, but still ugly because I had the hand-eye coordination of a toddler, well, a toddler ape. The build quality of the board is what you would expect from a $50 keyboard, but the biggest hurdle was actually finding a way to paint the board without it looking terrible. So let's hear how it sounds stock, and then we'll take a look at the customizations that I do.
This is really embarrassing.
As you heard and saw, the board rattles and wobbles like a plane in turbulence, but I think with the right amount of stomping and crying, I will be able to stabilize the board. I decided to go with yellow and use sponge switches, which inspired me to then paint Spongebob, jellyfish and flowers on the front of the case. I have essentially made a Spongebob keyboard. A little secret, if you want a chance to win this keyboard, comment below your favorite color and I'll pick someone randomly once we hit 1,000 subs.